Hi, I'm Bushcraft Boy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing and a review of a mini Dutch oven, the Petromax ft1. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Today's video we will be doing an unboxing and a review of the Petromax ft1 mini Dutch oven. So let's have a look at what's in the box. We have a lid, we have the oven itself, and inside the Dutch oven we have a little bit of information. We won't go into that too much though. So this is the main body of the Petromax ft1 Dutch oven. There are two versions of this. You can have it with legs or, like this one, without legs. There are upsides to both versions. If you have legs, you may stack it on top of other Dutch ovens, and you can put coals underneath and it doesn't crush them. Without legs, you're able to use it more easily in your kitchen. So here it is, the Petromax ft1 mini Dutch oven. Its height is 11.5 centimetres, width 20 centimetres, but if you've got the version with legs, then its height is then 16.4 centimetres. Also, this weighs 3.1 kilograms, which is rather heavy considering its size, but it is made of cast iron. It also has a capacity of 1 quart or 1.1 litres. It has a sturdy steel handle so you can hang it over the fire. It's also got a handle on the lid, so if you've got a lid lifter, it makes it easy to lift the lid up. It's got a lip round the edge of the lid to stop coals rolling off it. And it's also got this special feature here, which I will show you in a minute. Now we come to the very cool little feature of this Dutch oven. It's got a groove in the pan and a groove in the lid. This little feature is very special because it's got an arrow pointing to where the lid groove is, and its use is when the arrow is pointing to the groove, that means it's open, so it lets all the steam out. Turn the lid round though, it closes up the hole, therefore not letting any steam out. This Dutch oven comes pre-seasoned, but to be honest, it's best to just season it yourself. Also, the advantage of this Dutch oven is that it's small. It's ideal for just 1 or 2 people camping. It's not as big as a normal Dutch oven, which means it's less weight and room in your bag. And also, it's perfect for just baking small things like bannock bread. To give you an idea how small the Petromax ft1 is, here is a standard sized Dutch oven next to it. The Petromax is so small it could fit inside it, with room to spare. Earlier in this video, you may remember that I mentioned the seasoning. The big Dutch oven isn't quite finished yet, and look how shiny it is. The Petromax FT1, on the other hand, just has factory spray seasoning. At least it'll stop metallic taste getting in your food, but it's not non-stick, so season it at home. Another thing I like about this Dutch oven is that it also is perfect to go on this small collapsible tripod. If you want to take your Petromax FT1 Dutch oven with you camping, all you need to take for a tripod is this small collapsible one. I'm Bushcraft Boy, thank you for watching, please don't forget to subscribe. But before I go, just what I ought to mention, I'll be at the Bushcraft show in May, so hopefully you'll be able to see me there. Until next time, bye!